You mentioned that you almost didn't do the interview. What was the thoughts going through your mind?
Just pretty private. I mean, we have some close friends, and I'm an open book with people that I'm familiar with and everything. But it's not always easy to talk to someone about the scourge that cancer's been in my family. It's not something that's comfortable to talk about.
Sure. I
Different things
appreciate
like
you
that.
sharing that with me, by the way.
Yeah,
Yeah, like it's not easy. Like, hey, by the way, I have 3 family members that have passed away from cancer. Like
yeah.
that doesn't really come naturally to a lot of people to just like mention that. So
It's just such an integral part of the journey. I mean, literally, when my dad passed away, man, that was the switch. I went from like this comfortable, like I'm climbing the corporate ladder. I want to be a CFO. I want to be the C-suite guy and all this stuff. My dad passed away, and I didn't really take time off, but I was working from home, like taking care of my dad, um, and it just flipped a switch in me, man. I was like, you know, is this what I want? Like, is this what do I want to chase this stuff at the expense of my health?